Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you're here. Well, if this is your first time, welcome, and I invite you to subscribe. If you're not new, then thank you again for watching another one of my videos. I want to share with you those best deals for CVS that are starting February 24th to March 2nd. Please be patient. I try not to make the videos too long, but there was a lot of good offers on this ad, and I really want to include them and explain to you since there might be some CRTs, and I want to share with you exactly how you could get the best deal. So the first one I want to share with you is like this one, Arm & Hammer. Keep in mind that it doesn't have to be just Arm & Hammer for this offer. It does also have like Suavitel, and it has other products there. You do have to buy 20 to get the 5 ECB, but this one was like the easiest one since there was coupons for it. So what you could do is buy 4 of one of the OxyClean, depending on the coupon that you do have, the liquid and the pack. So in total, you will get 7. That will be $2.99 each. So you will reach $20. Use coupons. There's printables. I'll provide them on the description box, so you could go to that link. But if you have the Smart Stores from February 3rd and you have those coupons, you could use them. So you will use 7 coupons. You get back 5 ECB, making it $1.28. The next deal is for the Band-Aid. The ones that I saw the cheapest price was for the Finding Dory for $4.79, and also the pads, the waterproof pad for $5.49. Right there, you reach $10. You do need to reach 10 in order for you to get 3 ECB. So there is coupons for 75 cents, but also there's also coupons for a more expensive Band-Aid. So whatever you may need, just make sure you do reach 10 and you use those coupons and look at the price that you do have in your store. So if you do get these items, it will be $10.28. Use 2 coupons deducting 75 cents each, so you'll pay $8.78. You get back 3 ECB, making it $2.89. But it also depends on the coupons that you do have and the price in your store. The next deal I want to share with you is totally free. I have shared this before that before I started couponing, I used to get my toothpaste in Sam's. So I used to buy them in bundle. I feel like I was getting a good deal, but you can beat free. So this is why I love couponing, to make sure that you're getting free items. And this one is easy to do. We're going to be getting a coupon on Smart Stores this Sunday, February 24 for Colgate. So make sure you do cut and get that coupon. So you buy one of these toothpaste for $3. Use that coupon that we getting this Sunday, so you'll pay $2.50 in the register, but at the end of your receipt you will see an ECB for $2.50, making it totally free. So this is a good deal that it will start on Sunday. The next offer I want to share with you is also, this one is early activation because I believe the coupon expires on Saturday. So this one is an offer. If you do have any CRTs that you want to use for Covergirl, then pair it up with the coupons and the early activation to make it free. Maybe Moneymaker, depending if you do have a CRT. But I just wanted to include it in case you want to take advantage of those coupons. You could buy 2 of these items or any item. Just want to make sure you buy 2, and so you could get 5 ECB. So buy 2 of these, use 2 coupons. So it's going to deduct $4 with those 2 coupons, paying $5.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it 49 cents each. But I'm just sharing it in case you do have any other CRT to make it free and Moneymaker. So this one is an expensive item, and I wanted to include it because you will get an ECB when you buy one. You will get $3 ECB, and it has to be 30 count or more. So I saw this one for $10.99, the Emergen-C 30 count. And there is a coupon on the Retail Me Not January 6th book, deducting $1, and you pay $9.99. You get back 3 ECB, making it $6.99. I'm just sharing it with you because you're getting an ECB, and also there is a coupon, so in case you wanted to buy that item. This one, this deal has been going on for a few weeks now, but I wanted to change it a little bit depending on the CRT. If you have the CRTs, the micellar water, deducting 2, and another CRT deducting 10 when you buy 25. So I'm just sharing a different idea. So you have to buy 2 in order to get 5 ECB. So what you could do is buy the micellar water. I seen it for $9.49. So right there you could use a coupon for cleanser, and that will deduct 2, and that CRT 2 of Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water if you do have it. Then you could buy the moisturizer. These are one of a newer moisturizer. I've seen it for $15.49. So right there you reach $25. So you will use the coupon that deducts 3 off for moisturizer. And then now you could use that CRT that's going to deduct 10 off 25. So from $24.98, you're going to pay $7.98, which is already a good deal. You're already paying $7, almost $8. You get back 5 ECB, making it $1.49. So that's a really good deal. This one, you have to buy 40 in order to get 10. And it does include the infant formula for Gerber and also baby food and other items. I wanted to share this deal idea because there is coupons for it. There's also an Ibotta offer for it, and also Fetch app. If you're new to Fetch app, I'm going to provide my link and my promo code so you could get an incentive. But Fetch app is also offering 10,000 points when you buy $40 on certain items, and it does include the Gerber. So just keep submitting your receipt to Fetch app so you could get quicker to reach those 10,000 points. So what you could do is buy the infant formula. If this is something that you want to buy for $31.29, you could buy 4 of the baby food for $2.09. So that will be $39.65. You could use that printable coupon. I'm going to provide that in the description box below. That's going to deduct $5. And also for the pouch, that will deduct $1 when you buy 4. But there's also other coupons depending on the food item you want to get. But I just wanted to include this one in this deal idea. You pay $33.65, you get back 10 ECB, but you could submit it to Ibotta, getting 7, making it $16.65 for everything. So that was just a good idea, but I just wanted to share with you so you'll know that there is good promotions out there for the Gerber deal. I'm going to share with you for P&G, I believe 4 different scenarios. The idea, depending the CRTs you have and depending the items you do want to get, you will want to make sure that you get the items you want for a lot less. So in this case, you could get the herbal essence. You get 2 of those. You get the Thai liquid and the Thai pods. If you have this CRT for herbal essence deducting 2 off 10, you could use it. If you have a CRT deducting 4, it will be even better. But then on the P&G, you want to make sure you use a coupon for herbal essence deducting $5.99 and 2 for the Thai pods and 2 for the Thai liquid, and that will be $147 each. But if you don't want to buy the Thai liquid, you could get the Crest toothpaste. So what you could do is do the same deal idea. You buy 2 of the herbal essence, 1 of the Thai pods, and 1 of the Crest. Right there, you reach the $20. The coupon for the P&G for herbal essence is going to deduct 1 when you buy 1, so it should deduct $5.99. The P&G will be 2 for the Thai pods and 2 for the Crest. It's all going to be in the P&G book, and deducting that CRT that you see in the picture. So from $19.91, you pay $7.92. You get back 5 ECB, making it 97 cents each. This is just a deal idea depending on these coupons. It's going to be all in the P&G, and if you have that CRT. But if you have a CRT for Crest, that I've seen a few people get it, this will make it just, I think, 92 cents for everything. So that's pretty good deal. Another deal idea, in case you just want to get the herbal essence and you want to get the Charmin, or you want to get the Essentials Mega Roll or the Bounty Selected Size, right here you could just buy 2 of the herbal essence and 1 of those items from the Charmin or any of those. So right there you reach $20. You could use a coupon for P&G for the herbal essence that should deduct $5.99. And 1 for Charmin that's going to deduct 25 cents, and the CRT that's going to deduct the $2 for herbal essence if you have the 2 or if you have the 4. So you pay $12.73. You get back 5 ECB, making it $7.73 for the pack of Charmin or the Essentials, and 2 packs and 2 items of herbal essence. So this is just deal ideas depending what you need to get and taking advantage of the P&G deal. This is the cheapest, I think, deal idea that I could share with you. So this is if you want to get 2 of each. 2 of the herbal essence, 2 of the Dawn liquid, and 2 of the Crest toothpaste. So right there you reach $20. You use the coupon that I mentioned from P&G for the herbal essence and that CRT for the herbal essence. So right there you have $5.99 and $2. For the Crest, you're going to use 2 coupons that's going to deduct $2 each. So right there it's going to deduct $4 for the Crest toothpaste. And for the Dawn, you're going to use 2 coupons that are going to deduct 25 cents each. So right there it's going to deduct 50 cents. So from $19.94, you will pay $7.45. But if you have any CRTs for the Crest, you can include it on your total and it's going to bring it down. You get back 5 ECB, making it 41 cents for each item, which is one of the best deals I've seen. And it's going to be better if you have any other CRTs. Kleenex or wet wipes, there is a printable coupon deducting 50 cents off one. So that's a pretty good deal there. So what you could do is get two. Just make sure before you do this deal, this is the deal you want to do. You make sure you scan your card on the red box machine, because everybody's going to be getting a coupon that's going to deduct $1 off two. So you could use two of those printables and that instant coupon. So right there, you will pay two. You submit it to Ibotta. Ibotta is giving you 50 cents off one. So right there, it's going to give you back $1, making it 50 cents each. Maybelline Cosmetics. This is a deal idea I wanted to share because there is a printable coupon that's specified for this foundation. This is a full coverage foundation. It's a really good foundation. And it's for $11.99, but with this deal idea, it will be just $2.99, which is a pretty good deal. So what you could do is buy the foundation, buy the single eyeshadow. For everything's going to be $15.98. Use that coupon for the foundation and the CRT for cosmetics. You will pay $10.98. You get back 5 ECB, making it $5.98 for everything, which is still the pretty good deal. Wet n Wild, this will be just for Sunday only, because that coupon that we got on February 10th is going to expire on Sunday. So if you want to do Wet n Wild deal, make sure you do it on Sunday. And this is a limit of 3. So you must make sure you buy 10 to get 5 ECB. So, and the whole idea is you could get 2 of the lip liner or the eyeliner for $179, 2 of the blush or any item that's like $3.19 or close to that price. You want to make sure you do reach 10. So right there, you're purchasing 4 items. So you use 4 coupons, deducting 50 cents since these are face items. So right there, it's going to deduct $2. So you will pay $7.96. You get back 5, making it 74 cents for each Wet n Wild item. This deal idea, I'm excited about. The bad thing is I haven't gotten the coupon because it comes on Sunday. But there is a few coupons for Tresemme. And one of the ones that stood out to me is this new item that is kind of like a hair, I think it's mist hairspray. And everything from Tresemme that is on the ad might be 2 for 10. So make sure you get 2 items and you get 2 of those coupons. That's going to deduct 3 for this specific product that you see in the picture. So from $10, you pay 4. You get back 2 ECB when you buy 2, making it $1 each. But just look out for what the coupon is on special. I mean, the coupon that is available for the Tresemme deals. The next item is, this one is pretty easy and it will be for free if you have this CRT. So to look around, scan your card and see if you have any speed stick or deodorant CRT. So CRT is going to be buy 1 for $2.49, and if you buy when you buy 1, you get 1 ECB. So you could get 2 for $2.49. So right there's almost $5. You use printable coupons, and I think we're getting coupons this Sunday. I'm not sure, but if there's a printable coupon, I think there was a printable coupon that I mentioned last week. I'm going to provide in the description box, and use that CRT. You pay $1.98, you get back 2 ECB, making it free. This new idea I wanted to share because this could be very expensive, and it's going to be buy 1 get 1 50% off. So right there, you know, you get 50% savings in one product, and also if you buy 2, you get 5 ECB, and there is a coupon as well. So what you could do is buy 2 of the products. The total will be $26.24. You could use 2 coupons, deducting $5 each. So from $26, you will pay $16.24. You get back 5 ECB, making it $11.24 for both items. This deal idea is for Revlon Cosmetics. I wanted to include a new item, which is the new foundation. The new foundation I seen it for $9.99, and you could include the Kiss Balm for $4.99. So right there, you pass the $12 that you need to reach. You could use printable coupons for the lip and also for the foundation, and you could include the CRT. So you will pay $7.98. You get back 4 ECB, but you could submit your receipt to Ibotta for that new foundation, making it $1.98 for both items, or 99 cents. The good thing is that there's so many different coupons. I believe there's 4 coupons in total for Revlon. I'm going to include that below. You could just mix and match. Use any CRTs that you have to take advantage of these coupons and these deals and new items from Revlon. Radiance Platinum Vitamin C. Vitamins, it's a good deal. I love to see this promotion when you could buy 2 for $10, which is pretty good. Just look in your store, because every store I have gone to, I've seen the price do vary, but the vitamin C is the lowest I've seen. So let's say you could find it in your store for $6.99. You could buy 2. You pay $13.98. You get back 10 ECB, making it $1.99 each. Depends on the price in your store, but also if you have any CRTs for vitamins that does qualify for this price, like for $13.98, you could use it to have even more savings. Or you could just mix and match depending on the vitamins that you do need. Physician's Formula, this is only for early activation. And I'm including it because this was a really rare but good coupon. It expires on Saturday, so if you still have some of these coupons, take advantage of them this week, since there's still also a current good deal for Physicians Formula, or you could use them if you have early activation on Saturday. So buy these items, use 2 of those coupons, and you pay $9.98. You get back 10 ECB, making it free. But if you have the CRT for cosmetics, it will be even a money maker. So those are the best deals. I try not to make it too long, but I wanted to include all those best offers and different scenarios. All those printable coupons are going to be listed below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below as well. So thank you so much for your support and for watching. I hope you're getting ready for this new ad. And until the next video, bye.